Zika virus continues to spread in South America. Brazil's been hit hard, and now the first case of a birth defect called microcephaly has been reported in Colombia. A researcher from Pitt just returned from Brazil. He told our health editor, Dr. Maria Simbra, about what he discovered about the virus and what he is still hoping to learn.
Dr. Ernesto Marquez at the Pitt Center for Vaccine Research recently traveled to Brazil to study Zika. In that time, the CDC announced a definitive relationship between Zika and microcephaly based on the timing, the virus in fluids and tissues, antibodies against the virus in the brains of these babies with small heads, and studies of cases and non-cases.
When the CDC comes and validates that, is very comforting to say, okay, this is not something crazy that we were thinking about.
And it seems the virus has a propensity for nerve cells.
Eye problems, the hearing problems. So the microcephaly, in the end, may be just the tip of the iceberg of the all-congenital disease that Zika can cause.
Dr. Marquez says a review of the records reveals more cases of Zika than originally thought. He has been working on a natural history study. In other words, what happens to you when you contract the illness? More than 300 people are included so far with symptoms of fever and rash, but making note of the first few days isn't enough when problems can occur months later. Other questions? Are there other types of mosquitoes that can carry the virus? And how large of a role does sexual transmission play? When he left for Brazil, he wondered what could be done for the women who are pregnant in the midst of this outbreak.
They get really annoyed when people come to them and say, you gotta be very careful. It makes them even more nervous. For some women, if they felt they had Zika, they don't want to know if the baby, they just don't want to know. A lot of mosquito repellent was provided to pregnant women so they could protect themselves. But I think this is too little.
He raises the possibility of ongoing nerve cell damage in the microcephalic babies. If the virus stays hidden to reemerge later, this has greater implications for the baby's development and for infected adults.
In adults, for the sake of safety of blood supply.
Dr. Marquez says two questions need to be answered at this point. One, how common is Zika in the population? Tricky because common tests cross-react with dengue, a related virus. And two, does having Zika infection make you immune, or could you get it again? Recent observations hint that it's not as straightforward as with other viruses.
If there is no immunity induced by infection, it implies that vaccine development will be harder.
I'm Dr. Maria Simbra, KDKA-TV News.